going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you guys back with episode 5 of the Bucket Build, guys. Woo! You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Woo! So tell us a little bit about these wheels, bro.
I mean, the other wheels are a little messed up. I didn't want to put nothing bad on this car, so I said, you know what? Found these wheels on offer really cheap. Picked them up same day, and I think they're gonna look pretty good. I actually have one of these on my old cars, so I'm kind of happy how they are.
You guys can't tell me these wheels look sick. You guys can't tell me these look sick. Woo! And as well, guys, just forgot to show you something else that we have done. That we have done, but we did to the rims as well. Sorry for the sound, guys. I'll bring you guys back to what's happening outside. But yeah, look, we actually went ahead and painted the calipers on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful red, as you guys see. I actually go ahead and pop a few clips that we shot of the day that was getting painted and whatnot. And yeah, let's explain exactly what did the engine and how did the engine is looking since we got it back. And yeah,
episode 5, engine's gonna start getting put back together. We're gonna start putting this thing back. Seals took forever to come, no worries, we got most of them already. This is how it's looking right now. We have a little time lapse of it. We're gonna show the time lapse and all that. And then let's see how quick we can get this going, man. We're trying to finish this car as soon as possible.
Yes, sir. As you guys see, from last episode, we had taken it out.
It got sent to get redone.
It went to go get sent redone, and it's looking brand spanking new. Woo! But yeah, guys, let's get to it. Shout out to Rapid Tires. Shout out to them boys for coming out. Literally, it's about, if I'm not mistaken, it's about to be 9:39, guys. So shout out to them for actually coming up to this time to actually go ahead and pop the tires on the new rims that we're putting on the Beamer. I hope you guys can definitely hear me, you know, because it is a bit loud. Here are the tires that we're putting on. New, delicious, meaty tires. And yeah, let's get to it. Woo! Well, guys, tires are on. Shout out to our boy from Rapid Tires. You already know, if you're in South Florida and you guys want to go ahead and get your tires, oil changes, that is whatever it is, he's your boy.
Pretty much anything you need.
Yes, sir. These things are looking sick, guys. Woo! Yes, sir. How you feeling, Jesse, bro? What do you think?
I just want to drive the car already.
Woo! Well, guys, it's the next day. As you guys see, it's daytime out. I don't know if you guys were able to see that. Yesterday was nighttime, as I said. Video was recorded a bit late. But yeah, guys, I'm taking a look at how the car is looking with the tires on. Woo. Let us know down in the comments, what do you guys think of these tires? How they looking? Yes sir, and with this beautiful candy red calipers on there, looks great, guys. But yeah, this is a little short update we're having for you guys on episode 5 of the bucket. On next episode, car should look a little different, just to say. Make sure you guys definitely stay tuned to episode 6 on the bucket build, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, sticking into the end of episode 5. If you guys like so far what you guys watch, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, guys, and leave us a like. Thank you and have a good day. Yoo!